When it comes to producing 360 videos, the Insta360 Nano makes it easy. This is a very compact dual lens camera that shoots 3040 by 1520 resolution at 30 frames per second, and it works with iPhones to get the full functionality out of this device. The Insta360 has dual 210 degree lenses on the front and back for full wraparound coverage, and it plugs directly into any iPhone 6 and up with a built-in lightning plug. But you don't have to have an iPhone to use the Nano. It's actually a self-contained camera that can shoot 360 video on its own. It has a micro SD card slot to store video when used without an iPhone, and those two dots on either side is where the microphones are. And the maximum card size it can take is 64 gigabytes. When used with an iPhone, it simply slides into the bottom and is held in place by the lightning plug. However, you have to remove the phone case to attach the camera. But once it's plugged in, the Insta360 app automatically launches, allowing you to see what you're shooting. The Nano fits very nicely on the iPhone and it's not very bulky except that the camera sticks out from the bottom of the phone. The app turns your phone into a monitor and you can switch between photo mode and video mode. The app can also be used to view anything you've shot in 360 like photos or videos. And when it's powered on, the only indicator you'll see is the tiny blue LED on the corner of one of the lenses. Now here's a little bonus. The box that the Insta360 comes in also doubles as a pair of VR goggles, so don't throw it away. It simply unfolds and you slip your iPhone into the lid. It's a nice thing to have if you want to test out the VR, but it's no replacement for a real set of VR goggles, but it will work in a pinch. It also comes with a small drawstring bag to store your Nano and is big enough to hold the included USB cable. Because of the small size, it's really easy to take the Insta360 on the go. When the camera is connected to an iPhone, it's a bit awkward to mount this on a selfie stick, so I mounted the phone in reverse so I can see at least part of the screen while shooting and to avoid pinching the buttons on the side. I did notice that the camera and phone gets warm even after a few minutes of use. And the Insta360 app works as a preview monitor so you can see the camera's point of view. As I pan around, the shot is seamless between the front and back lenses. You can shoot 360 video or photos in the app and even do live 360 video streaming on Facebook, YouTube, Periscope, and other social networks. You can always see the camera's battery level on the screen, and there are creative filters for both videos and photos. The Insta360 Nano is a pretty cool camera that anyone can use to make 360 videos. It's easy to use and can be used without an iPhone. They also make a tripod mount just for the camera itself, but it's like $40, which is way overpriced in my opinion. But if 360 video is something you want to add to your productions, the Insta360 Nano is an inexpensive way to get started. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Cube, for more how-to videos and product reviews.